Say his name one time. ParisCollins.
Let's ride from Georgia up to Illinois. He's closing deals, he's making noise. You see that smile, that man's on fire. Signs in the yard, numbers going higher. Best salesman, that's the headline. Got your dream house sitting on a deadline. You want keys, he's a reminder. You want value, he's the reminder. P-A-R-I-A. Collins on the line.
Again, comments, descriptions, all that stuff will be below. You can comment and leave. I don't like the color. Being honest, it's like a cream, but we can work on that. It's just paint. It's nothing major. So, comment, hit me up, call me. Phone number will be down below. We're gonna walk through this one. We're gonna get through it. All right. So when you first come in, you met with the staircase, and to your right you have the dining room, and then over here you have your sitting area. Again, I want you guys to tell me what you think, what would you do with this space. I don't know if they are leaving this dining room table with these chairs. Again, it's nice. Something you can invite your grandmother over when you're cooking. Show her your new house. Yeah, let me know if you would keep it or not. I think it's nice. We're coming out on the other side. This is your kitchen. Again, you got to pick up some appliances. You're going to need a stove, possibly overhead microwave, and a refrigerator. And we'll start over here first. This is like, I guess, your TV area. You got a fireplace. Gas fireplace. I see the key. Yeah, that's a gas fireplace. Nice place to sit in the summertime. Now, we don't have the key to go outside, so I don't know. We'll walk around. I'll walk around and take you guys through there. We have a closet right here. You have a garage. It steps down, 2 steps down. And then you 2-car garage at that. The hot water tank over there. No, but some little closet space. But yeah, the hot water tank's back there. Guys, now's the time to get something. Hey, winter's almost over. So this is your powder room. Nice vanity. This is your laundry room here. So this one does have a basement, and we'll go through the basement momentarily. But we're going to go upstairs first. check out the bedrooms. You have a closet right here. I almost said ceiling fan. I don't know what I was thinking. It's probably because somebody left the ceiling fan on and that wasn't me. You got to replace some of the bulbs in there. Bedroom number 1. Built-in mirror. Lots of windows. That window right here. More closet space. Where's that other light? Okay. So I don't know how to turn on this other light switch. Here's the light switch. And I'll let y'all play with it. All right. Oh, okay, there we go. Nice sitting area in the hallway. Bedroom number 3. More closet space. Okay. Nice size master bedroom. Sitting area. Master bathroom. Water closet. Is that a light? All right. I can't figure the light out, so I won't mess with it. Here's your vanity. Wait, this is not work. Light. Okay. Go downstairs and check out that basement. switch here. Man, it's a little closet. Okay. I don't know who built this, but ain't no way in hell it's up to code. I can't fit through this little door without squeezing through. This guy was building some stuff. I think he was going to put a kitchen here because that's the gas line. All right, guys, so let me know what you think about this one. Again, I'm bringing you a series of homes, something you can work with, got good bones. I'm gonna walk around, take a look at that backyard, and I'll see you back here in a minute. All right, I'm back out front. So, because they had the back door locked, I'm walking around the back. All right, so you got 2 ACs on this home. And this is your view. Got a little tool shed there. Got some trees along the property line. Let you know where you are. This is a big property, big backyard rather. And here you go. Got a couple broken windows. You probably want to replace the siding. Look like some minor water damage, but the tool shed is still good. I just cut the bottom off, place that, put your waterproofing back on. You can attach some siding, do a new window if you care about that. But this is it. Again, if you are looking for a property, hit me up. This is something we can work with right here. Again, strong bones, strong structure, great home, 2 ACs. We can work with this. Send me a message in the comments. Let me know what you think.
Collins on the line. If there is a deal to be found, it's mine. Let's go. Best beard in the business, say it loud. Handsome with the hustle, make his mama proud. Oh yeah. Georgia to Chicago, he's the one that call. You're trying to win in real estate, he's got it all. PARIS. Collins every time. If there is a deal to be found, it's mine. If there is a deal to be found, it's mine. Hey, ball through, ready, he's already there. Shirt pressed clean, perfect beard, great hair. He's got buyers, he's got sellers, turning just looking into storytellers. From condos up high to porch swings low, he's got a place everywhere you wanna go. You bring the dream, he brings the pen. Shake his hand once, you're coming back again. Who you gonna call when you're ready to move? Paris Collins stepping in the room. Best in the game, yeah, you know that's right. He'll find your deal in the day or the night. Hey, Georgia Peach, city streets. He connects the dots where the numbers meet. Say his name, watch the doors and lock. Paris on your side and you're ready to rock. P-A-R-I, Collins on the line. If there is a deal to be found, it's mine. Let's go. Best in the business, say it loud. Handsome with the hustle, make his mama proud. Georgia